Yeah. So we just stopped with Thevenin's theorem yesterday. This circuit is nothing but a super mesh circuit. This circuit is nothing but super mesh circuit. Moreover, for solving this Thevenin circuit, we have both independent voltage source and dependent source here. So we need to find ISC as well as VOC. For finding VOC, use your nodal analysis. Use your nodal analysis. And for finding your mesh analysis, you need to use, ISC, you need to use your mesh analysis. You need to use your mesh analysis. So we have 4 nodes, as I said earlier. We have 4 nodes, out of which one is ground node. The other 3 nodes, the third node, you take it as VOC itself. And first node is voltage is known, that is 6 volts. So write equations for 2 and 3 and solve. So you'll be getting your VOC to be 5.33, and then come ahead with the ISC. And then solve. So while solving, assume your currents, mesh currents I1 and I2. So when you have a common current source between two meshes, that mesh is said to be super mesh. Okay. For the super mesh, for that particular branch alone, you need to write, okay, you need to write a KCL equation. Meaning, so the current direction is upward. So I1 minus I2 is upward. So I2 minus I1 is equal to 1.5x. I2 minus I1 is equal to 1.5x. And then bring it in terms of I1 in terms of I2. So remove this branch and write the common equation, common KVL equation. So 6 volt, so 6 minus 5 I1 minus 3 I2 is equal to 0. With that we stopped yesterday. So tell me the answer. Please wait.
12.
12
I-
amperes.
IC is 12.
Yes, and 12.
What is the answer?
12.
From 12 amperes.
IAC is 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now VOC is 5.33 and ISC is 12. So what is your RThevenin? RThevenin is equal to VOC by ISC. So 5.33 divided by 12. What is the answer? What is the answer?
Ma'am, 0.44.
1.44 ohms.
0.44 ohms.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Let me check whether my okay. So 0.44 ohms. So how do you draw your Thevenin circuit? You have your voltage source, that is 5.33 volt, in series with the resistance which is nothing but 0.44 ohms, And now you have an open circuited branch. That is what it is given. Am I right? Huh? So this is across which you have your RL. So we need to draw the Thevenin's equivalent. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we go ahead with one more problem? Next problem for maximum
Yes,
power
ma'am.
transfer. Yeah. Hold. Have only Thevenin's theorem and maximum power transfer for your syllabus, am I right? Okay. So maximum power transfer theorem is almost equal to your Thevenin's theorem. We have solved this expression in the lab. Do you remember?
Yes, RTH was equal
Yes,
to
ma'am.
RTH is equal to RL. And repeat once. So determine the value of RL. Please note on the problem. Determine the value of RL. That will draw maximum power. That will draw maximum power from the rest of the circuit. From the rest of the circuit shown in the figure. Calculate the maximum power. Calculate the maximum power. Is it okay? Guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. So we know your Thevenin's equivalent circuit. How will be your Thevenin's equivalent circuit? You have an voltage source and two resistances. Namely R Thevenin and RL. This is VOC or V Thevenin. So to find the current IL, your expression is IL is equal to V Thevenin upon R Thevenin plus RL. And voltage by voltage division rule, VL is nothing but V Thevenin into RL divided by R Thevenin plus RL. This is my VL. Whereas your power is nothing but VL IL. So it is V Thevenin square RL divided by R Thevenin plus RL the whole square. This is your power. So to get maximum power that is to be delivered across the load, I need to differentiate this expression. Differentiate dPL with respect to dRL and equate to 0. Use your maximum power transfer, maximum minima in your differential calculus. So when you differentiate this expression and equate it to 0, you will be getting finally R Thevenin is equal to RL. Okay, we can differentiate and check later. Okay, RThevenin and RL. So this is what we are going to imply here. So the first step again here, this is a circuit of both the independent and the guys
Dependent.
Dependent.
dependent sources. So we need to find both VOC and ISC. So for finding VOC, sorry, finding VOC, so remove the RL first, okay, because we need to find the load resistance. Only if we find RThevenin, we can find the RL, because for maximum power transfer theorem, RThevenin is equal to RL. So remove the RL first. So once if you remove the RL, your circuit will be like this. Okay. So like this. This is VOC. Okay. How many node voltages we have? This is ground.
Three.
This is V1, where V1 is 9 volt. And only 1. Am I right?
Yes.
Because here there won't be any current flow. Since it's an open circuited branch, this will be ruled. There won't be any current flow in 120 ohms. Am I right?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts you have?
ma'am, your video is lagging a bit, ma'am. Like, your screen is seen upwards. It's not seen properly.
Screen is upward.
It's like going upward and then again coming proper, and then it's like little laggish.
Actually, I'm using this broadband. See, how is this broadband? 1 second. Actually, mine is around 900 Mbps. Sorry, yeah, 9. It is around 100, no? Yeah, it is around 90 Mbps. I don't know why.
No, ma'am, it's fine. Screen is fine.
The speed
And for
test is
some
okay.
time it's fine, then again it's like it.
No, the speed test is okay. It's showing around 90, 89 point something Mbps. Okay. Now it's okay. I'll continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Remove the RL and see there won't be any current flow here. There won't be any current flow here. 120 ohms. There won't be any current flow. So we won't consider this. So we have only one node. This node is said to be VOC. Okay. This node is said to be VOC. So tell me the equation for VOC. How will you write for VOC? It is VOC minus. Tell me, guys. Tell me the node equation.
VOC minus V1, that is
Ah.
9
By
by 6.
60. Then
Then minus 30 I1 We'll write this as VOC by
VOC minus 3Vx by 30. It's an voltage source again, right? Guys, this is one
Yes, ma'am.
potential, this is another potential. We are moving from this end to this end. So when I am moving from this end to this end, it is VOC, and it's a potential drop. It is VOC minus 3x. I have a resistance here, so 30. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is equal to 0. What is Vx? V1 is at higher potential according to the polarity given. So V1
Yes.
minus,
V2
what is this? This potential.
VOC.
VOC.
V by 60. Okay. Substitute for your Vx in the above equation. Tell me your VOC quickly.
And it's 7.
How much?
7.
Everybody is getting the same value? Guys? Any answers? If you have an answer, tell me.
Ma'am, 3.1.
Then need to solve. It is 1 by 60. 1 divided by 60. This point. 0166 minus 0166 V1 plus.
Ma'am, 2.79.
It is how much? 3, yeah, almost. Any answers of 3? Guys?
Ma'am, 3.19.
Everybody is getting one answer.
Yes, ma'am. Even I got 3.19.
3.19.
Yes, ma'am. I also got 3.19 now.
VOC is 3.19. One second.
Yeah, I also got 3.11.
3.19 you are getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
3.19.
Yes, ma'am. 3.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then I'll
3.19.
proceed. Okay. Then what is the next step? You need to find ISC. Am I right? So we have an we have like this. This is our circuit. Short circuited the load branch. Short circuit your load branch. And this is 30, 60, 120. Yeah. So 30, 60. Sorry. This is 30, this is 120, this is 60, and this is 9, and this is, what is this?
3 VX.
Vx, where Vx is this.
Yes.
So now use your mesh analysis again. You getting me? What is that you
And
said?
this
Voc
time
is equal to
it will
3
be a
point.
super node.
Now we are using a mesh analysis, right?
Like it will
When
be a
we
super mesh.
super mesh is nothing but when we have only current source between two meshes. And super node is nothing but only when we have only an voltage source between two nodes other than the ground node. You're getting me? Guys?
Node part.
Yes, ma'am.
We will solve on super node also.
Okay.
So now this is I1, this is I2. Okay, tell me the equations. Later you can solve. 9 minus 60 I1 minus 30 into I1 minus I2
Plus I2.
minus 3 Vx is equal to 0. Okay, and then 3 Vx minus 30 into I2 minus I1 minus 120 I2 is equal to 0. Moreover, now what is your Vx? What's your Vx?
VX is
V is equal to I into R, right? So Vx is equal
60,
to
minus 60 I1.
I1 minus
Yeah.
60 I1. Okay? Screen is freezing. You can substitute and solve for your answers quickly. Solve and tell me the answers.
Ma'am, I1 is 0.15 ampere minus 0.15 ampere.
I2 is minus 0.03.
And it is coming 0.15 ampere.
Yes, ma'am. I1 is 0.15 and I2 is minus 0.03.
No, both is 0.15.
Huh?
It is 0.15, the sign is different.
No, I
Yes,
think
ma'am,
I2
sign
is
is
minus 0.03 and I1 is 0.15. I don't know, like just check. Let others confirm.
I1 equal to minus I2 and it's 0.15.
Ma'am, you're not audible.
Guys, am I not audible? I'm sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Any answers for I1 I2?
Ma'am, I1 is minus
Any
0.15
I1
and
I2?
I2 is 0.15.
Or you are getting some other answer. Okay, this is plus and this is minus you are getting. But both are same value.
Yes, ma'am, both are same value, but sign is different.
Okay. So, however, 3.1 by 0.15 R Thevenin is equal to 20.66. R Thevenin will be equal to RL for your maximum power transfer theorem. So, RL is equal to again 20.66 for the maximum power transfer to be delivered. And you need to find the maximum power also. What is your PL? PL is nothing but, so when you substitute here, R Thevenin is equal to RL in the expression, power expression. So it will be V Thevenin square into RL divided by R Thevenin is equal to RL. So 2RL square you will be getting. So V Thevenin square by 2RL. Okay. So V Thevenin square by 2RL. So V Thevenin is, what is your V Thevenin? 3.2 square divided by 2 into RL is 20.66.
4 RL, right? 2 RL square.
That is ruled out, no? Yeah, 4 RL. Tell me the answer. Guys, any answers? Guys, every time I cannot sit and solve for you, you need to tell me the answer. You're getting me? I may ask any problem in the exams. Then how do you solve?
I'm 0.1239.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
0.1239.
Yes, ma'am. 0.12.
0.12.
Okay. Let me give one more problem. You try to solve by yourself. Okay. So this is the I'll open the syllabus. Oh, this is the Teams, right? So I'll stop the recording with this. I'll stop today. I'll put the videos. Video